Hey everyone, hope everyone is doing great. Today we'll be doing some tech swag unboxing. So as some of you know, I recently got back to Canada and there were too many packages waiting for me. So I'm excited to unbox them now and share the experience with you. So the first item we have here is from Google, and I believe it's a t-shirt. This was me doing the cloud challenge, one of their quick labs challenge. So here it is, pretty cool. Thanks Google. So let's get into the next one. We'll let you take a guess. It's from Hacktoberfest. No, man. That's just some nice packing.
A few moments later.
Here we go. Oh, that's a lot of stuff. Okay. Intel 1 API. Here's the t-shirt. Pretty cool. Thing on the back. And a lot of stickers. Thanks Dev. I'll lay them out here. There's a Dev one. Cool. Uber one. Cockroach DB, JetBrains, Intel, Docker. Cool. Thanks DigitalOcean, and may the source be with you. Oh, I dropped a sticker.
Bruh.
Okay, too many stickers. Let's get into the next one. So the next one is from Dev Shop. Oh, cool. Stickers, more stickers. These stickers are a small thank you for being a part of the CodeNewBie community. Oh, I remember this. So one of my articles was picked up by CodeNewBie, and it's for that. This was, I think, October last year, but so was Hacktoberfest. I was away in India, so you guys can see a lot of dev stickers, perfect sticker. Cool. Cool. 100K. That's CodeNewBie. Thanks Dev and CodeNewBie. Okay, let's dive right into the next one, which I already opened. So I know what this is. This is from Microsoft. Thanks Aaron from the Microsoft team. He hooked me up with some cool VS Code stickers. And here are some more. Awesome. Thanks Microsoft. Thanks Aaron. Okay, I know a few of you can guess what this is. So it's a huge box with some goodies for, you can see, AWS Community Builders. So the first one is cool jug, or I should say mug. Crap. I'll get better at this, promise. Oh, I suppose that was in. Okay. Cool hat. I know GPS has some cool hats. I'm getting in the game, GPS. If you're watching this. Stickers. Nice. Cables. Oh, my AWS credit. I'll not share that. Cable clips. Oh, a cool diary. And a pen. Thanks, Jason, at the AWS Community Builders program. Really love it. So that was pretty much it. I hope you guys liked it, and here's to another year. Hope I'll get more swag. Yeah, thanks for watching.